I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, the easiest place to shop and get all of your needs met with Bitcoin and Lightning transactions. You can head over here. They've got gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, Steam, Uber, Instacart, Airbnb, Apple. The list goes on, but they have you covered. You can be living on a Bitcoin standard like me, and BitRefill has been a godsend. So head to bitrefill.com and use code BTC Sessions at checkout for discounts.
I'm bullish because of Bitcoin in the Philippines. There's a few aspects of that are really going great right now. So Strike and Coin Corner out of the USA and out of the UK are using Pouch.ph as a Lightning service provider. So that means out of either of those apps, if you were to go to Send Global and then choose Philippines among the different countries there, they can send to any bank account or dominant e-wallet in the Philippines so that the receiver side doesn't need to know anything about Bitcoin. In fact, through Strike or Coin Corner, they don't even really need to know about Bitcoin on that side either. But they can send money from America, UK, EU directly to the banking system instantly with no fees, just some spread on the exchange rate. To put this into context, every day 100 million US dollars is sent from overseas foreign workers to the Philippines. That's 100 million a day. The reports I've seen show that about 7 to 10% of that is lost to fees. So I want you to imagine the Joker in front of a giant pile of money that gets set on fire every day. That is what's happening. And if people understood that this was available right now, they could be saving that money. And one of the really great things is that would not be concentrated into one industry. It would be spread out among the working families all across the Philippines. That benefit. So that would be really great. And the other aspect here in the Philippines is Bitcoin Island, where I'm at right now. We've got 250 businesses that accept Bitcoin today. I live basically on Bitcoin here on the island. It's entirely possible to go do your groceries, whether it's at the locals market, the wet market, or at more Western style grocery stores, the little tinier ones here on the island. If you're coming as a digital nomad or a tourist, there are hotels, there's all kinds of restaurants, bars, services. You want to get a tattoo in Bitcoin? Blockchain is forever, but ink is close, and things like that. So all of that is available here on the island today. And I'm hoping that all of you consider coming to it. You can see right there under my name is Pouch.ph Retreat 2023. That is a conference being thrown here on the island so that you can come for 3 days and live on a Bitcoin standard.